Hello lovely people and welcome back to Marius Makes. This week I had a craving for tiramisu, but I also wanted something fruity. So I combined the two cravings and came up with this recipe for a summer's berries tiramisu. It's creamy, smooth, sweet and tangy at the same time, a true delight. Don't forget, you will find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's begin with making a syrup. In a saucepan, add 250 grams of water, the peel of 1 lemon, I used the vegetable peeler to peel my lemon, 50 grams of sugar, the juice of 1 lemon, and 100 grams of raspberry jam. You could use any other jam such as blueberry, blackberry or even mixed berries. Give the syrup a good stir, put it on medium heat and bring it up to a boil. Cook until the sugar and the jam dissolve. It takes about 2 minutes or so. Set the syrup aside to cool down completely. Next, let's make the mixed berries jam. In a saucepan, add 300 grams of berries. I'm using frozen ones. 200 grams of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, finely grated, and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix well and cook on medium heat until the sugar dissolves and the berries release their juice. In the meantime, mix 10 grams of corn flour or cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of cold water. Add this slurry to the boiling jam and boil it for another minute until the jam thickens and becomes glossy. Set it aside to cool completely. Moving on to making the mascarpone cream. In a heat-resisting bowl, add 80 grams of sugar, 3 egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give everything a good whisk. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water and whisk until the mixture becomes pale and fluffy and the sugar dissolves. Take the bowl off the heat and add 500 grams of mascarpone cheese. Whisk until combined and the mixture is smooth. Next, add 300 grams of whipping cream and whisk until it thickens. I switch to an electric whisk for ease. Now that all the elements are ready and chilled, it's time to assemble the tiramisu. Pour the syrup in a wider container or on a plate. I'm making an alcohol-free dessert, but if you'd like, you can add some raspberry liqueur into the syrup at this stage. Soak each ladyfinger biscuit into the syrup and place them into your dish to create a layer. Next, add half of the mascarpone cream and spread it out into a uniform layer. Over the mascarpone layer, add half of the cooled berry jam and spread it uniformly. And now repeat. Add a layer of soaked ladyfinger biscuits, the remaining mascarpone cream, and finally add the remaining berry jam. Knead up the final layer with an offset spatula. Refrigerate the tiramisu overnight or for at least 6 to 8 hours before serving. As you know by now, my patience is running thin when it comes to waiting for desserts to set, so I cut into this tiramisu after 3 hours. It was delicious nonetheless. And there you have it, mixed berry tiramisu, layers of ladyfinger biscuits, smooth mascarpone cream, and a sweet and tangy mixed berry jam, a summer's delight. If you enjoyed the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. As always, thanks for watching and until next time, keep on cooking!